Hello humans, how art thou today? Doing pretty dandy myself. So today's video is going to be something I haven't done before, but I want to show you guys a new service and we're going to go through and explain to you how to do it. And at the very end of this video, at the very end, I'm going to show you the actual results. So basically this video is going to happen, and then a day later it's going to be kind of merging, getting some more results. So the end video is going to have all this stuff here, and the very end is just going to show you, bloop, how things have turned out, basically. Very, very simple ending. So the goodbyes and the thank yous will have to be done before that. So anyways, the video is going to be about how to use Promolta. Now, I am going to tell you a little bit about them. So basically, it kind of reminds me of Google AdWords in the sense that they distribute your videos on blogs, videos, games, different apps and sites to advertise for you. And all of it is promoted to real people, and it follows YouTube's policy to the T. So you don't have to worry about that. It's not fake views, it's not anything. You're literally paying for marketing, which is what you got to do in life. You don't just get free marketing until you're big enough to sustain little boxes on the side that says, hey, check out this video. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the very simple process of uploading information, or actually going to the site, uploading information, and then once we do that, we'll be good to go. So it's very, very simple. After you have seen how to do it, I'm going to have an affiliate link in my description. Now, you might be like, oh, why the heck would I do that? The reason why you want to click on my affiliate link, I'm not even a huge partner with them. I just started, so don't think I'm a sellout or anything like that, peeps. The reason why you want to do that is because once you buy from my affiliate link, they're going to tack on 1,000 free views with your first purchase. Now, this isn't buying views. When they say they guarantee 1,000 views, that means they know they can distribute all these different things to different sites, and they know people are going to click on it. That's what marketing does. Different companies like Sony, Universal have all used them. These promotion sites are real. Google AdWords, Google owns YouTube and Google, obviously. They use a similar marketing situation, so you don't have to sweat it or feel like you're a sellout. You're not buying views. Never buy views. You want to market it. You want to promote your videos. You want to market your videos. I said market twice. So anyways, stand by. I'm going to finagle some magic here, and we are going to show you how it's done really quick, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so let's get started. So basically from what you're seeing here, you can see this is the main site that you're going to use, basically. You see the start campaign. You can use sign in with Facebook, either one. You're going to want to put in your email first, basically. This is how you sign up, if you will. So you're going to type in your email. I don't mind you guys see my email. That's my YouTube email. No big deal. You can't hack it. I got 3-step verification. Then you got to make a password up. Really simple. Throw one in there. You're good to go. So then, after that, you hit Start Campaign. Very simple process. You can see, oh, all right, I just got to put my YouTube video in. I'm picking the one for Magic Spoon Cereal here. So you go ahead and select your video. You copy it really quick. And then you're going to go in and you're going to just insert it. And then you're going to hit Search. And it should pop up your video that you want. That's the one you're going to select. Now you got a whole bunch of options here. You can do, in addition to views, you can try to get like and comment, subscribers, app installs, different things like that. What type of genre, gender, male or female, the age group. If you want specific countries as opposed to global, you can do all of that basically. Because it's not just about, that's why you're not buying views, you're getting marketing, and they're marketing it based on what you need for your video. If you make video for kids, you want to do the kids section. Maybe for senior citizens, you do the senior citizen. Now you just do your budget, very, very simple. 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever you want it to be, and it tells you approximately what kind of views you're looking at, basically. After that, you put in your card information, you pay, and you're done. It's as simple as that, guys. That is how you start up the process with Promolta. Now, again, obviously, you're going to want to use my affiliate link, because you saw 500 views is 1,000, or is 10 bucks. And now you're going to get 1,500 when you buy that. Again, it's only guaranteed, not because you're buying views, but because they're going to market the crap out of your video until it gets the spot that it wants, basically. So anyways, this is Promolta. This is a site that I recommend as well to get any kind of views. I'm going to promote this. Well, actually, I'm not going to promote this video because obviously then I won't be able to upload this video because I'd have to upload it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote my cereal video, actually. It has about 2,400 views, which you guys saw. We're gonna promote it. I'm gonna put on there about 2,000 views, and then I'm gonna upload that as well to show you how many views it has in a picture here in 1 second. Obviously, we're gonna have a little bit of a fast forward in time, if you will. So this is your dashboard, and this shows you in real time all the stats that you have for your video, so you can see exactly what gets updated. It's extremely useful. And then you see here, this is the video that we ordered the views on, and about 1,700 views. All right, awesome. So you guys can see I got some really solid results there. So basically, I highly recommend using this site for marketing. Yes, the price is a wee bit high, but it's good stuff. I won't even say the price is high, actually. It looks high, but you're paying for marketing, and marketing isn't cheap, guys, especially if it's legit. If you go to the fake stuff, then they just drop anyways. So don't go to the fake stuff. Go to actual marketing sites, not buying views or likes or whatever. So anyways, I have that affiliate link in the description here for you. I'd like to thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you guys all on Thursday, meow.